Hi everybody, welcome to Avalon Bytes at Avalon School London. I'm Danny. Today we're going to look at a difficulty that many French and Italian speakers have, the pronunciation of the H sound. H, H, as in the sentence, he's very happy with his hotel. Now, a French or an Italian speaker might say, he's very happy with his hotel. But that's not correct. What you should say, he's very happy with his hotel. He's very happy with his hotel. He's very happy with his hotel. Just remember, pronounce H. Okay. That's all we've got time for today. Comments and questions below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and see you next time. Thanks.